On his way home, this guy stumbled upon two tiny, helpless cats shivering by the side of the road. They looked lost, hungry, and scared. Without a second thought, he scooped them up and brought them to the warmth of his home. There, he offered them food, a soft place to rest, and most importantly, love and care. What started as a chance encounter turned into a heartwarming story of compassion and a new beginning for these two little souls. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.